Hello, I am Rachel Stravelli. Do you ever have those times when you wish someone would just help you figure out the strategy for what you need to do next? I have definitely been there, and I would love to talk to you more about that. I am Rachel Stravelli. I'm an In Her Wisdom teacher. I help people to connect to the wisdom within and the wisdom of the natural world. Every week, I make videos here on this channel, and I would love if you would give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Okay, so do you ever feel that there are so many options available and so much information, it's hard to figure out how to move forward? You have so many ideas buzzing around in your head, and you have interests and needs and responsibilities, and it can seem really challenging to come up with a clear path forward, or knowing what step to take next, what project to work on. Or maybe you feel like a red poppy in a field of yellow flowers, and you wonder, why do I not fit in? Why can I just not move forward and do this thing? Be like everyone else. But you're not like everyone else. And I'm glad you're not. You are unique. You're a magnificent creation. You were not designed to fit in. I wasn't either. I would love to help you crack through the overwhelm, the confusion, the self-doubt to create a clear path forward towards being your most radiant self. I think that would be amazing. I offer strategy sessions for business and life transitions. And this is really unique. A strategy session with me, it's a combination of brainstorming and heart storming, brain and heart knowledge. It's intuitive soul storming. It's brainstorming with all my logical, intelligent mind, and life's wisdom gained. What could you gain from a strategy session with me? Sense of clarity, a feeling of enthusiasm, hope, possibility, and definitely the feeling of being seen. If you have wounds or pain, issues that you want to transform, and that's relevant, usually that gets uncovered too. And we always identify a plan for the next steps so that you feel clarity in your mind and in your heart of what you want to do to move forward and what you're going to follow through and what you're going to take action on. It really helps to cut away what's all the unnecessary fluff and like what needs to be done right now. After the session, you have a really clear vision of your next steps, a plan that we create together, and the first next step that you're going to take, not next steps in 2 weeks or 2 months, but the next step today or tomorrow. And it feels glorious. These strategy sessions are a little bit longer than my normal one-on-ones. We go for up to 90 minutes. And I will put comment below if you'd like to PM me and know more. Before you have to schedule it, we can do a 20-minute complimentary power and discovery call to see if we're a good fit. And I would love to see if we are. I can share with you previous client testimonials. Maybe I should put a few of those here that'll help you get more information. I would love for your beautiful soul to shine more in the world, and for you to cut through some of all this noise and overwhelm and too much information, and stop trying to figure out, well, maybe I just need to fit in, or maybe I need to do it the way that all the other people say. Working with me on a strategy session, we create a custom plan for you because you are different than every other person on this earth. Yes, of course, you have similarities with them, but you have a unique essence, and that's why trying to fit into somebody else's plan and method doesn't work. And when I come to a strategy session with someone, I have done my homework. I have delved into what you've given me thus far to prepare, but I don't come with a, oh, I'm going to teach her XYZ, or I'm going to tell him these are the next 5 steps that he needs to do, because I don't pretend that the cookie cutter formula fits for every person. And that's one of the reasons people like working with me. The other reason that people really love working with me, well, I guess there's a few reasons, but the other one that I hear again and again is the heart and compassion and acceptance that I bring to our time together. Because sometimes what is a really big piece of this, is you accepting yourself for exactly who you are, and having someone else reflect back to you that they see you and that they honor your radiance, and that we can find a way for you to move forward towards this dream or this wish or this business or this goal by honoring who you actually are, not who other people want you to be or society's expectations and all of those things. Like, we work with exactly who you are, and I don't try and put on values and tendencies for you that are not who you actually are and not what you actually bring to life. um, when I and this has been I've cultivated this both when I worked with students and when I worked in my garden. I have a high ability to work with someone exactly where they are, to try and find how we can enhance your potential. But I don't try and make you into somebody else, because face it, it's never going to work. I want you to become more radiant, more expansive, more of who you desire to be, and moving forward into these ways that you want to be showing up in your life and in the world. And it's incredible. So a one-time strategy session right now, the charge for that is $159 US. And if that changes in the new year, which I do plan to raise my rates later in the new year, not right away, not in January, but soon after. So I'll have to update this video then. But as I said, I will have a link below where you can sign up to do a free 20-minute call with me, so we can see what is it you're going through. Do you like the way that I work? Can we come up with, a feeling that this is something that you want to do? And I would love to explore this more. So thank you so much for joining with me today, and I look forward to talking with you soon. Bye bye.